Hey friends, Kendra here. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Welcome back to those who have been here, and hello and welcome to those that are just tuning in, that are just subscribing to my channel. So glad to have you guys. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, ring that bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But you guys, I'm super excited. You guys know that I've been talking about the protein treatment that I've been using, and I finally got this video out. I am so sorry it's late, but yeah, you guys, I've been using the Aphogee two-step protein treatment. That's what I used on my hair today. I am super excited to show you guys the process if you've never used it before. Aphogee is like, has history. Their protein treatment has history in the game, okay? Everyone probably knows about their two-step protein treatment. It is effective. It works well. It works well on my hair, and it has my hair feeling so healthy right now, so strong. You guys know that I am bleached and color treated, and I just really needed something to bond my hair, to get my hair feeling healthy again, because you know I put so much on it. But yeah, if you guys are interested and you want to see the process, girl, keep watching. All right, you guys, so this is the state of my hair right now. As you can see, it's very dull looking, very stringly, very straggly. When I run my fingers down my hair strands, it feels so bumpy. And I know that it is missing some protein. And I just want to get it back smooth. I want to fill in those holes in my hair strands. And if you guys don't know, my hair color is dull because I worked with a brand and they needed my hair to be black. So we put a black rinse over it. And you can see my color start to poke through now. So we're going to get started, and we're going to start with step one. This is a two-step system. And step one is the two-step protein treatment. This is the actual protein that I'm going to be putting back into my hair. So the directions say to first shampoo your hair and to blot your hair dry, okay? And then it says to apply this protein treatment onto the hair. So this is the step one here. You need to shake this well, and I did use 2 of these packs. So I shook it up really good, and then I opened it, and now I'm going to be applying it to my hair. But first I'm going to try and attempt to detangle. There's nothing else on my hair. There's no conditioner. There's no nothing. So this is, you know, it's feeling real weird to detangle my hair in this stage. But I'm going to try to attempt to detangle it, because I know when I apply this protein treatment that I'm not going to be able to do much detangling. So as you can see, like I said, I would recommend using a bottle, because just pouring it on your hair like this is kind of a mess. But I didn't have a bottle handy, so I'm just pouring it on to my hair strands. You want to make sure it is distributed evenly, because you want it to get on every single hair strand, okay? You want to make sure that you apply to every single hair strand so that it can do what it's supposed to do. Add a protective barrier, put that protein back into your hair. It does smell pretty bad, okay? It's a brown liquid. It does smell pretty bad, but I'm just going to keep working it in, and I am going to attempt to comb it into my hair. That did not go off very well, so I just made sure that I, rubbed it in really well. But I'm going to continue to apply it to my hair and all over. So I'm working on this back section first, and then I'm going to do the front section. So you guys continue to watch and see how I do this. So I'm going to chime in for a second and let you know that this two-step protein treatment stops hair breakage and rebuilds your hair structure for 6 whole weeks. It is ideal for processed or natural hair. So like I said, I'll try to do it every 1.5 to 2 months, but I should probably go every 1.5 months just to ensure that my hair is nice and protected. All right, you guys, so the directions say to leave the hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap, but sit under a medium heat dryer with high airflow. And so I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer and let this fully dry. Okay. However long it takes to dry, I'm going to let it fully dry. And as you can see, we'll take a couple of selfies while we're doing it. But the directions also say that once it's dried, that the hair becomes extremely hard. So make sure you don't comb it or brush it because it will cause breakage. And as you can see here around my ears, girl, you see all that built up protein? So now I'm going to re-wet the hair and rinse it with warm water to just get rid of all of that excess protein that did not penetrate into my hair. All right, you guys, so my hair has been rinsed out. All of the excess protein has been rinsed out of my hair. And now we're gonna go in with step 2, which is the balancing moisturizer. And this says it infuses moisture into the hair, adds softness and shine. So I'm gonna apply that all over, make sure that it is definitely coated on all of my hair strands. Comb it through if need be, and then after that I'm going to rinse that out. I am going to let it sit on my hair for about 2 minutes as the directions say, and then I'm going to rinse it out. And this is the results after I rinse out my hair. You can even tell that my color has popped through a lot more. A lot of that black rinse has actually come out of my hair strands. And you guys, I can't tell you how good my hair feels. I wish you guys could feel it like up close and personal. My hair feels so strong again. Like I literally feel like my hair strands are strong again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Have you guys tried this protein treatment? Comment down below and let me know. Are you gonna pick it up? Okay, how often do you do your protein treatments? Meet me in the comments down below. Let's talk about it. Again, like I said, you guys, I really love this protein treatment. It's probably a staple. I don't use it as often as I should, being color treated, but I should probably use it monthly though. But yeah, you guys, it's a great investment. Literally, my hair feels so much stronger. My strands feel so good, you guys. And my hair is super shrunken right now because this is a wet and go type of thing, but it has my hair feeling so strong. And like when I run my fingers down my hair, I don't feel like any, you know, grooves or anything like that. It just feels so smooth now. But before then it felt a little raggedy, you know, because you know when you color your hair, it kind of strips that protein out of your hair, and you want to put that back. Definitely want to put that back so your hair will stay protected. So yeah, it made my hair feel super strong. My hair feels so healthy, so strong. And I am just excited because I am loving it again, you know? So yes, you guys, let me know what you think about the video. Answer my questions. Meet me in the comments down below. Let's talk. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.